These garlic knots are extra soft and fluffy, and they are deliciously flavored with garlic, butter and herbs. They are one of the easiest and tastiest bread snacks that we can make at home. So in this video, let's see how to make these soft garlic knots from scratch. To prepare the dough, I'm pouring in water, sugar, salt and yeast, and stir until the sugar and salt get dissolved. Now add the flour, and we need to knead the dough. We can either knead the dough by hand or by using a stand mixer. Here I'm using a stand mixer, and knead the dough for about 7 to 8 minutes or until we get a very soft and smooth dough. Now we got a soft dough. I'm shaping it into a round ball and applying some olive oil on top, and cover the dough and let it sit and rise for about 90 minutes. The dough will rise faster in a warm place and it will take longer in a cold place. After 1.5 hours, our dough has risen well. Degas the dough and transfer it to a clean work surface. Divide the dough to 4 equal parts and shape each of them to form a rectangle. Now I'm dusting the top with some flour so that it will not stick to each other. And then divide each of them into half and then each half into 2, so that we'll get 4 dough strips from each rectangle. And now let's shape the knots. Gently roll each to form a rope of approximately 7 inches long, and then make a knot. I'm turning it upside down and placing it on a parchment-lined baking sheet. And now let's cover the rolls and let it rise well. So keep the tray in a warm place for around 45 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the topping for our garlic rolls. Into a hot pan, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of butter. Adding finely chopped garlic. Here I've used 4 cloves of garlic. We don't need to brown it. I'm stopping just when I can smell that delicious aroma of garlic. Remove it from heat and then add the chopped parsley and season it with some salt. And now our topping is ready. So it's been 45 minutes. Our rolls have risen well, and before taking them into the oven, brush them with garlic butter. So now they are all ready to go into the oven. So bake at 200 C or 390 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes. After baking, they smell super delicious. And now brush them with rest of the garlic butter and then top it with some Parmesan cheese and serve them while they are fresh and warm. These are one of the simplest and tastiest bread snacks that we can make at home, and they turn out perfect every time, even for first-time bakers. We can try it with different herbs, and the taste of the rolls will be new each time when we bake. And I hope you like this recipe. Hope you will make this at home, and I'm pretty sure your whole family will love it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family who love bread and garlic. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.